I'm going to differentiate three most important terminology about genetics, that are multiple alleles, multiple genes, and pleiotropic gene. So first of all, I will tell you about multiple alleles. If a gene have many alternate forms, will be called as many alternate forms called as multiple alleles. That will be called as multiple alleles. What does it mean? It means, let's suppose we have I gene for blood group. If an individual have A blood group, B blood group, same like AB blood group and O blood group, that is controlled by I gene. This has three alternate form. Number one, A type, B type, and recessive type, small I. These are the three alternate form of I gene. But keep in mind, these all three forms cannot be present at the same time in the same individuals. One individual will have only two alternate forms at a time for that trait. For example, if an individual have blood group A, so it will have only two genes. Both are dominant, and one is dominant and other is recessive. This may be the genotype of an individual, and this may be the genotype of an individual. At the same time, all three alleles will not be present in a same individuals. This term is specifically represent population. It represent all alleles present in population. Okay, so this is all about the multiple alleles. And the next term is multiple genes. Let's suppose if we talk about multiple genes, we will define it if a character or if a trait is controlled by many genes, that will be called as multiple genes or polygenes. Let's suppose if we talk about the skin color, skin color is controlled by many genes on different set of alleles. It is controlled by many genes. So all the individual have skin color, and these characters which is controlled by many genes. In case of many genes, all the genes will be present at the same time in an individual. But if we talk about the multiple alleles, that are the single gene copies, that will be present only two alleles at the same time in an individual. But if we talk about the multiple genes, they will be all present at the same time in an individual. So this is the basic difference between multiple alleles and multiple genes. So next one is also the term which commonly mixed with these terms. It is if a gene have effect on more than one trait, that will be called as pleiotropic gene. Okay, for example, the gene which control our height, that will be also effect on our weight. Gene is the same, but controlling our height and weight at the same time, that will be gene will be called as pleiotropic gene, that have effect on more than one trait. Same, these examples can also be illustrated in this form. If a cat has a white fur, pigmentation on their skins is also effect on this hairiness, on this deafness on their eardrum. So these are the three terms which we talk about. If we compare multiple genes and polygenes, this is one trait, many genes. If we polytropic effect, one gene many traits, and this is the many gene one trait relationship. So these are the three important terms that can that should we know about, that how can we illustrate to our student. Thank you very much.